Hello friends, I am twirling through Bookster Grammar and the link for my page is given in the description box. And today, once again, I am here with a new video. And if you like the content, do subscribe, like, share and comment. So without wasting much of the time, let's get into the video. So in this video, I'm going to talk about Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, an aerospace scientist and 11th President of India. Everyone is familiar with Dr. Abdul Kalam Azad, who was an educationist and who gave India a new horizon, a new thought process, a way to achieve their dreams, how to become one of the best with simple opportunities, with simple options. And today I'm going to talk about him as an author, about the book which he has written and the books which are really a source of motivation and inspiration, and they are going to help you in one way or the other. Especially the books are concerned about the youngsters, and they tell about the youngsters how they have to work, for their future, and how they have to plan out the things. So let's start with his first book, Wings of Fire. As we all know that he was an aerospace scientist and he worked on missiles, this book is an autobiography of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam Azad, and this book reflects the simple but very high thought process of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. After reading this book, one realizes that how great things can be achieved by simple thoughts. It conveys the message of Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam that we should always keep our dreams high, goals clear, plan perfectly and put hard work. This book gives you it's a key to success, you can say. So not to be missed, The Wings of Fire by Dr. Kalam. So the another book which I would like to discuss here and which really ignited my mind also is Ignited Mind, again by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam. And this book is mainly for the youngsters, you can say. It inspires you to dream big and keep a never give up approach. This book contains answers to many questions given by Dr. Kalam when asked by the youngsters. This book leaves you inspired and ignited. One should not miss this one, and I would definitely suggest this one for the young teenagers who are who are not clear about what they have to do in their life, what plans they should do, how they should work, how should they plan out the things for the future. This is certainly going to help them. So not to be missed, Ignited Mind. So the next book which I would like to mention is The Turning Points by Dr. Kalam. It is the sequel to Wings of Fire, and it discusses his tenure as a president, his childhood and his career. Dr. Kalam is the man who taught Indians to dream for developed India. This book again leaves you motivated and fills you with the courage to dream big. So this was about the 3 life-changing books by Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam: Wings of Fire, Turning Points and Ignited Minds. He has written many other books too, and all his books leave an impression on your mind. Don't miss the chance to know about a simple man who was a scientist, educationist, president and an author, Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam, a man who gave India wings to fly high. So this much for today, and if you like the content, do subscribe, like, share and comment. Bye bye and take care.